My name is Kerry Fitzgerald. This is my sister Julie Fitzgerald, and we are part of the band the Fitzgeralds, which includes our other brother Tom.
We are so thankful to Toronto St. Andrew's Society and the Government of Scotland for bringing us here.
Our Scottish connection is through our grandmother's side. She was a Creighton, and they came over from Scotland, and those are our claim to Scottish roots.
The music that we play, it's originated sort of in that Ottawa Valley area, but the Ottawa Valley has a lot of Irish, Scottish, and French Canadian roots, so we're able to kind of keep that tradition alive of the Scottish musical culture. Yeah, again, there's a lot of history here at the Rivoli. It's very, exciting for us to be able to perform at such a renowned venue. One of my personal favorites that has played here in the past was the Blue Rodeo Band, of course. And to be able to be on the stage, same stage as them is pretty amazing.